So, there's a couple issues with this Galaxy Note. First issue is this cover here is scratched, so I'm going to try and just take it out and see what I can do. Either sand it, polish it, or replace this whole piece. The other issue was all my phone calls, the microphone wasn't working. You can see the camera there is in really good, actually, condition. And if you look right here, right here, there's a little spongy, it's like a spongy covering around the microphone, and there was just so much gunk in there. I don't think you can see it, but there's just so much gunk in the little microphone sponge that it was completely blocked off. So yeah, pulled that stuff out, see what I can do with the camera, and we'll get her all fixed up. So I took that piece of glass out for now, and this is what it looks like. And I'm going to try and shine it up, but I just wanted to show the difference in picture quality from before with the scratch glass in there and now with the scratch glass out. So that's it, and we will update what happens, how I fixed the glass, and how it works after. Ciao.